we talked about the diet, but before we can go any further, we have to make sure that your body can process this diet efficiently. You heard me say that, your metabolism is broken. And that's broken because a lot of us, we don't eat breakfast anymore, right? Just keep it real with yourselves. You wake up, you're not hungry, you're not getting your first meal till around lunchtime. I know I'm correct because I encounter this stuff on a daily basis. Now, also, as we get older, we stop eating vegetables and things like that, man. That is taking a toll on us. We might not see it, when we first start to do it, but as we get older, our meals are lacking a lot of vegetables. Now, when this happens, we basically take our body from being a fat-burning furnace, and then we shut the metabolism off. It's no longer burning. Now, when we're younger, everything we eat, we never gain any weight. But nowadays, it seems like everything we eat, every time we eat something, we turn around, we're gaining weight, That's because our metabolism is broken and it's off. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it back on. We have our kidneys, they're clogged up. We have our colon, it's clogged up. We have our liver, it's clogged up. Everything is messed up. The pancreas, it's all messed up. Those are our eliminating organs. Those are the things that help us process our foods and process the waste and get it out of there. So what we have to do is take a detox to clean out that environment, to start all over real new and get those organs working back in a synergistic fashion. Now I want you to think about it. The liver is the #1 fat burning organ. That's right, I said your liver is the #1 fat burning organ. But if your colon is clogged up, that's right, if your colon is clogged up, then the liver has to stop burning fat, has to go over here and help out the colon to do its job. Now guess what it can't do? It can't burn fat anymore because it's over here helping the colon out. So if we clean out the colon, we clean out the liver, we clean out the pancreas, we clean out the kidneys, then everybody can do their own job and process the foods in the manner that we need to burn fat. Now, I want you to think of your body as a fat-burning furnace, right? Now, boom, every time we put wood on the fire and the fire's burning, the fire's going to keep burning and it's going to burn more and it's going to burn more and it's going to burn more. Every time you burn more, you're burning more calories. If you're burning more calories, hey, you're burning more fat. Think about it. You're burning more fat, you're losing more weight, you're getting in shape. Now, I'm going to give you another analogy, and I know this is going to stick with you because everybody at home has a washer and a dryer. If you don't, you know how a washer and a dryer work. Now, the dryer has a filter in it, right? And when you clean out your filter, you put it in there, you dry your clothes, they come out nice and hot, nice and warm, and they're nice and dry. Now, when you don't, you forget to clean out the filter sometimes, and it's clogged up with all that lint and stuff. You pull out your clothes, and they're still damp. The body works the same way. We're going to clean those those organs out with their filters. We're going to clean those out so we can process this diet very efficiently, turn our body back into a fat-burning furnace, get this metabolism back going strong, and we're going to get to the body of our dreams in no time.
I am results.
Because your results are the only thing that matters.